Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going somewhere. I don't want to reveal it now. I'll be revealing it later in the video. So first let's get ready. Then I'll be revealing it later in the video. Bye. So we are ready guys. So let's go.
अभी तो रुको क्लाइमैक्स अभी
Ready guys. So let's go and see what it is. Let's explore it. It's actually the first time in Vijayawada. It will be a first time experience for me also, and I don't know how it'll be. I'll be showing everything in the vlog. Let's see. So guys, we reached here, and as you can see in the background, I'll be showing. So guys, we have purchased the tickets, but due to the crowd, it's not available now. So we will be doing this tomorrow morning.
लेकिन तू कर भी क्या सकता है यार
मैं कर क्या सकता हूँ
And we'll be coming tomorrow, inshallah. No worries. My hair is not good now. So no worries for that. So guys, we are boarding now.
और अभी तो रुको क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी
Sorry for my habit. We will be boarding now, guys. It will be first time experience. I don't know how it will be. Let's see what happens. This will be the bike or whatever we say it for paramotoring. So guys, we'll be starting now. As you can see, I don't know how it will be. I am a little bit scared. So let's start. Enjoying, guys. It is feeling so good. Scary, but a good experience for the first time.
भाई मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना
Okay. So guys, everything's so good. Literally felt so good. So hello guys, we are here at Vihang Adventures, and I had a good experience here. And I recommend you also to come here and take the ride. It was really so good experience. Thank you. So guys, it was a so good experience. I recommend you to try it once in your lifetime because need to live a moment. You don't know when, what happens. So
I'm also go to the
just live in
paramotoring.
present, okay? Enjoy. So guys, that's it for the today's vlog. Hope you like it and enjoyed it. This was my first vlog. And I'm sorry if there were mistakes in it. I'll try better for the next.